Hi guys, today I've got Zeina with me in the kitchen and we are cooking a delicious batch of cookies for you all.
Not any kind of cookies. These are chocolate chip oatmeal lactation cookies, which are supposed to help with milk production. So for all you mamas out there that are breastfeeding and want a little bit help with the milk production, I know I certainly need it. I'm still breastfeeding my baby, so these are my go-to cookies, and of course I am obsessed with cookies, so any excuse to make cookies.
And you know what? Any excuse for me to eat them because they're so good. And you know what? They're healthy. They're great for your kids at home. So, while Zeina's the one eating them because they're technically made for her, we all are eating them as well.
They don't taste any different.
Okay, so let's start cooking.
Okay, great. So we are going to start off with the dry ingredients.
Okay, so give me the ingredients. What do we have?
We've got here flour.
Okay, do I need to sift it?
No,
just as it is?
Just add it. Very easy, straightforward.
So flour.
Oatmeal.
Oatmeals. Okay.
Chocolate chips. I love using semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can also use dark chocolate if you want to feel a little bit healthier. Yeah.
My kids, my boys especially, love this. So they're going to be happy campers.
Baking soda.
Okay.
Salt.
Yes. Salt is always important when you make dessert because you just need a pinch of it and it just elevates all the flavor.
Now here is the secret ingredients for the lactation cookies.
Okay.
This is what will help your milk production increase. So I've got flaxseed powder here and brewer's yeast. Sorry, brewer's yeast.
So did you grind those? Because I've been told, or I've read, that it's best to freshly grind your flaxseed because then you get all the benefits rather than having them pre-grind and just using them.
So just mix that all up.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to start preparing the second part of the recipe, which is the wet ingredients.
Exactly.
Okay, so what do you have?
So white sugar.
Okay.
Brown sugar. This is light brown sugar.
And guys, all the recipe ingredients will be available for you guys on my blog, which is cookingwithzahra.com. Okay.
This is butter, unsalted butter.
And is it room temperature?
Yes.
Okay, so that's why it's nice and soft.
So
I'm using the paddle attachment, and that's the best attachment to use when you are making cookies.
Okay, and then we're going to add one egg at a time. Throw in the vanilla with the last egg. You don't want to mix it too much.
Okay guys, that's pretty easy, Zeina.
I'm telling you, it's super easy.
So now we've got to bake them into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius.
Okay, so now that the batter is ready, I've got a ice cream scoop.
You like using ice cream scoops whenever you...
Yeah, because it leaves the cookie the same size and it's really easy to control, so
Nice.
you have to do. And so these are different with the chocolate chip cookies because they don't actually get flat, so you can keep them a little bit closer so that you can fit more on the tray.
Okay, so a quick tip when you're preparing your cookies, if you like them to be chewier, then my suggestion is you don't flatten the cookie once it's scooped onto the tray. But if you like to have a bit of a crunch, then just I'm going to show you guys quickly, take your two fingers and just slightly flatten it down, and when it bakes, it'll be flatter than the other cookies, and so the texture and the flavor and the crunch will just vary accordingly.
Yum.
Zanzoon, the cookies are ready and they smell good.
Yummy, yummy. I can't wait.
So,
that one's much flatter.
yeah, that's one much flatter. I prefer them this way. I know you prefer them more chunkier.
Have you ever had those potbelly cookies?
Yeah, I know.
This is why I like them this high.
Oh yeah.
Should we try it?
Not too hot?
No?
You go for it.
Nice and chewy. So I went ahead and I put the rest of the batter in a Ziploc bag, so
Okay.
you can store this in the fridge or freezer. And it's easy.
And so you just simply defrost it before you'd want to bake them if you put them in the freezer. And you can always have a batch of fresh baked cookies whenever you want.
Voila!
Great idea, sister.
Thank you.
High five. See you guys later.